The Leading Women of Africa LWA has nominated the newly appointed President Group of Maryam Abacha American University's Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo for the 2023 Leading Women of Africa Men Champions Award. The LWA Champion Award is aimed at highlighting the contributions of men in the economic empowerment, especially of women in Africa, and to honor them for their influential role in the socio-economic change in Africa through women empowerment. Professor Gwarzo, who is the founder of Maryam Abacha American University of Niger and Nigeria, as well as Franco-British International University Kaduna and Canadian University of Nigeria Abuja, is expected to be honored alongside 10 other prominent personalities nominated from across African continent. The notification for Professor Gwarzo's nomination was conveyed to him via a letter containing the list and pictures of all the nominees. Leading Women of Africa LWA is proud to announce the nominees for the 2023 The Future is Female Award to the Leading Women of Africa LWA Men Champions Award, the letter said.